Hey everybody, Anton Creel here at ITPM. Quick update. We have a free webinar for ITPM first timers only coming up this Saturday, October the 9th, called How to Make a Killing from Taper Tantrum. This Saturday, 9 a.m. Eastern Time, free webinar for first timers only to ITPM. If you're a first timer, click the link below the video, book your ticket. The webinar is going to be with Anthony Isa and Hishem Dejori. So, what's this topic all about? Why are we covering this? Well, the tapering of stimulus policies and higher real rates in the US is sending ripples through equity markets globally. It's very likely that we have a new regime in the markets, and you need to be prepared now for the change in the regime in equity markets. You don't only just want to be hedging in this environment. We are traders. So we want to make a killing out of it. So Anthony and Hishem are going to be on at 9 a.m. October 9th Eastern Time to cover how to make a killing out of the taper tantrum. So Anthony and Hishem are literally going to be showing you ways how to do this. Anthony is the king of trade ideas at ITPM. He's the king of the trade idea generation process. And Hishem is probably one of the most knowledgeable commodities guys in the Middle East, North Africa region. It's going to be an awesome webinar. So tune in Saturday, guys, 9 a.m. Eastern Time. The webinar link will go out at 8 o'clock in the morning. There'll be plenty of opportunities to ask questions in the Q&A area during the webinar and during the Q&A session towards the end of the webinar. So click the link below, book your ticket as long as you're a first timer to ITPM. You book your free ticket by clicking on the link below the video, and Anthony and Hishem will see you there 9 o'clock Saturday morning Eastern Time.